How to use Credit Karma tax to file free taxes. First of all, open your browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log in with your registered email and password. Once you are logged in and on the main dashboard, look for the section labeled Tax in the navigation. If the feature is available in your region, you will see an option to begin filing your taxes for free. Click on the Start Filing button. You will be guided through a step-by-step process to enter your personal details including your name, social security number, and address. Next, you will need to input your income information from your W-2s or other tax documents. It will also ask about deductions, credits, and other financial details to help you maximize your refund or minimize the amount you owe. As you go through each section, your estimated refund or payment due will be updated in real time. Once all your information is entered, you will have a chance to review everything carefully. If everything looks good, you can e-file your federal and state returns directly from Credit Karma without paying any fees. Now you know how to use Credit Karma tax to file your taxes for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.